Welcome to Valentina's Simply Good Food. Today I'm sharing with you my super delicious cauliflower soup. For this recipe, you can use either fresh cauliflower or frozen flowers, so you can make this soup all year round. Except cauliflower, you'll need also 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 smaller onion, 1 medium-sized yellow potato, vegetable seasoning, 2 teaspoons of red paprika, and 1 deciliter of milk. If you are using fresh cauliflower, divide it into smaller flowers. Cube the onion and the potato as well. Saute the onion until it becomes clear and lightly golden. Add the potato and saute on low heat until it also becomes clear. Add some water if it starts sticking to the bottom. Then come the flour and the red paprika. Gradually pour in the water while stirring to prevent lumps in your soup. Once the water is warm, add the vegetable seasoning according to your taste. When it boils, it's time to add the cauliflowers. If you like pasta in your soup, add it right after putting the cauliflower in boiling water. Cook it on medium heat for a few minutes. It doesn't take much for cauliflower. When it's done, pour in the prepared milk. After your soup is cooked, and if you like it, you can add some finely chopped parsley too. No need for cooking the parsley. Enjoy this tasty cauliflower soup. If you like this recipe, hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you are new here, subscribe and never miss any of my simple delicious recipes.